If you want to buy your hosting from Hostinger and looking for a special discount deal through which you can save maximum amount of money, so guys, I'm here in this video. I will reveal a special way through which you can save maximum amount of money. So guys, what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be led to a page like this through where you can buy to get the maximum discount. Over here you may see a special deal running right now by Hostinger. If you scroll below, you can see that Hostinger is being recommended by almost every famous website on the internet. And if you scroll below, these are the three most popular plans. Guys, you can enjoy this coupon code discount on already running discount deal to get the maximum discount. But before you select any plan, I want to tell you Hostinger has amazing features. Like Hostinger do not compromise on being fast, secure and reliable. You can create websites in seconds through the powerful Hostinger AI artificial intelligence based website builder, and you are getting free domain with all of the annual plans, making it a very amazing and attractive deal for anyone who want to buy hosting with maximum discount. And in case if you're coming from another hosting company, Hostinger has a dedicated website migration tool and a service through which you can easily transfer your website from other hosting company to Hostinger, and that too free of cost through their tool plus support. So this makes it a very exceptional choice. And the control panel is super easy, super friendly, but they also have a maximum number of features if you compare it with any other competitor. So making it a very preferable option. Even a beginner or a newbie can use it. And Hostinger do not compromise on speed, reliability, efficiency, and they also have local data centers all around in the world in different locations. And the security features are mind blowing. They do not compromise on it. The maximum security features are being provided by Hostinger. If you compare it with any other hosting company, you are getting automatic backups, malware protection, you're getting SSL security certificates, you're also getting DDoS attacks prevention through the Cloudflare protected name servers. And right now 3 million plus people are using Hostinger as their primary hosting company. And if you want to enjoy the Hostinger family to get the maximum discount, simply scroll above and select any plan. I highly recommend you guys to simply select the see all features and do a thorough research before you're going to avail any plan. So once you're done with your research, simply select the choose plan. With any plan you are going to opt to get the maximum discount when you buy your hosting from Hostinger. Once you select the choose plan, you are being redirected over here where you can see a limited time deal running right now to buy your hosting. So select your billing period. Hostinger offer 4 billing periods, but I recommend you guys to offer the 48 months to save the maximum amount of money. But again, you can choose any as per convenience. After this, select have a coupon code and write this amazing discount coupon code to save the maximum amount of money. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Once you apply it, you're going to see that your price is going to get a further discount on already running maximum discount deal. Now there is another coupon code as well. It is with the name of HI10, and you can also find this one in the description of this video along with a special discount link. So you can use either of one to get the maximum discount at Hostinger. After this, simply select the continue over here. Once you select the continue, you will be redirected to another page, or also known as the final page. You can see your plan has already a maximum discount loaded with double discount. Plus now write your billing details. After this, simply select the continue and then move on to the payment method. Hostinger offer variety of payment methods, so many payment method options, making it a very convenient procedure to buy your hosting from Hostinger. Let's say we're going with a credit card. Then write your credit card details over here and simply select the submit button. That's how easily you can buy your hosting from Hostinger. So if you want to enjoy the maximum discount, make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code to get the maximum discount with your hosting from Hostinger. So good luck with your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.